Today, we will continue our journey, keep scalping and day trading momentum-based assets. We will rely on our best scalping indicator and strategy. Markets are not easy to trade. We need to focus on more and more specific assets. No more user stock, let's start now. I heard that some of you having trouble trading ongoing rallies, whether it is in cryptocurrencies, gold, silver, or the Nasdaq, or any other asset classes out there. First of all, what does a rally really mean? Understanding the structure of a rally is actually not that hard once you break it down in simpler terms. What you usually see is multiple green candles printing consistently, with price pushing higher and higher over time. And most of the time, we notice this clearly on the hourly charts, like the 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, or 4 hour time frames. So, what you should be checking is whether the price keeps taking out previous highs and making new higher highs on those hourly charts. That kind of price action clearly shows the strength coming from buyers in the market. But that alone is not enough to confirm good and healthy rally. Second, you also need to check the low points of the candles and see if they are mostly being protected or not. If the lows are holding and not breaking down, that tells you that sellers are not strong enough to create multiple lower lows to push the price down. So overall, what you are really looking here for is a strong increase in price within a short period of time. I am talking about an asset that can move 10, 20, or even 30% in a single day. For example, if you look at this specific cryptocurrency, after a period of price accumulation, it did break out and rally significantly started in a single day. Then you will notice that old highs keep getting taken out by buyers as the price continues to pushing up. At the same time, the old lows are mostly protected, so sellers unable to push the price back down. And overall price moved from $150 to $200 just in a single day, which is about a 30% gain. This is where most people make a big mistake. They try to focus on exactly where and when the rally starts. And believe me, it is extremely hard to consistently catch the exact beginning of a rally in any asset classes. So do not focus all your energy on trying to predict when the rally is going to start. Instead, focus on the rally that is already in progress. An ongoing rally is much easier to recognize, and it is much easier to trade with confidence. Now, let's drop down to the 5-minute or 15-minute charts from the hourly charts and really think through what we should be doing here. Remember, you are not trying to guess exactly where the rally is going to start from the very bottom. Instead, you are simply trying to join an ongoing rally as a trader and ride the move that is already happening in real time. Your first step should be pointing out the significant high points on the 5 minutes or 15-minute charts. Just mark them clearly as they happen and keep your focus on those levels. Once those highs get broken, you need to ask yourself one simple question. Is there a pullback happening after any significant breaks? And remember, not every single breakout will give you a clean pullback to enter. For example, right here there is no pullback at all. Price just keeps rallying straight up without giving any real enter opportunity. But if you look at a little higher on the chart, there is a clear significant pullback that gives you a chance to enter. And if you are looking at our rally on the real charts, you will notice that one of the recent high was broken very strongly. And there was no pullback at all to give you a safe or clean entry here. However, if you just focus on the prior high point instead, Once that level is broken, you can see a strong pullback area forming. Inside that pullback, there are inner imbalances that give you a solid place to enter a trade. So trading rally is really just about joining the ongoing move and the strength behind it. You are simply trading with the momentum and going with the overall trend here. It has been clearly proven over time that trading with the force and the trend is much easier, and it usually gives you a much higher win rate compared to trying to trade against the momentum. Okay friends, end of a great and educational video. Please stay safe and see you in the next video. Completed the free trading course but still need more? My master classes teach liquidity, imbalance, and the market structure in detail. Combine them with forward and reverse trading using momentum superboxes and yo-yo cost average entry models. After that, you will master scalping with a one-screen free trading view indicator, a revolutionary trading system. Finally, you will learn to invest your profits using my 10-year swing investing with working agent system. Interested? Please see the video description.